to show you how to make the Mr. Right and Mrs. Always Right cups. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over here to text, and I'm going to use the Mickey Love text, and I'm just going to use the A and the B. Then what I do is I go up here and hit ungroup so that they're by itself. Now I go to shapes and I want a heart, and I'm going to just duplicate that heart. Send them both to back. Now I'm going to position my Mickey and Minnie where I want them. And now I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to use the Waltograph text, and I will place the links for these texts in my description in the below. And for the first one, I'm going to do Mr. Right. And bring that over here and resize it. And then Mrs. Always Right. And this one ends up being a little bit smaller because there's more words. And I'm just going to group the words separately. Okay, now I can rearrange these the way I want to make them fit in my heart a little easier. So I can rotate them. Okay, and when you get them the way you want them, the last thing that would make this a lot easier to do is to go ahead and make a square and put a square behind it. It will make it significantly easier for reading. So if you go ahead and do this, actually what I'm going to do first is I'm going to highlight all of these here, go ahead and weld them. I'm going to position them on the heart the way I want them and highlight them and hit slice. And then I'm going to erase the layers. And then I'm going to lay this on top of my square, highlight them both, and hit slice one more time. And this will make it a lot easier to place it on your cup, because then you have a bigger border. So it will cut a whole square here. Then you can just put a little bit of tape if you're worried about getting your armor etch or your whatever your etching cream is on the glass. Then what you do is you just weed out the heart and the inside of the bows, and you leave the letters. You can also do it the opposite way if you would like, but this is how I ended up etching mine. So then you do the same thing for this one. You go over here and highlight both of them and weld. Place them on your heart. Highlight both of them, hit slice. Erase both of these layers. Get a square, make it bigger, highlight both, hit slice one more time, and then erase the inside. And there you go, now you're ready to print, and all you need to do is just weed out this heart for him and the insides of the letters, and then to apply your etching cream. And this is how you can make your Mr. Right and Mrs. Always Right wine glasses.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.